Tahimik lang ako.
Hello, good morning guys. For today's video, we're here at the Jollibee. So, let's eat. Naka-glasses ako kasi masilaw dito banda sa akin. Naka-glasses. Masilaw kasi banda dito sa harap ko. So, ito yung pagkain natin. Ayan. Dalawang chicken, tapos palabo. Tapos meron tayong pie. Mango, tsaka ubi. Ito natin yung I'll show you sa loob. Ito yung pie. Mango flavor. This one is mango pie. Ayan, mango pie. So, masarap yung Jollibee na dito, guys.
Just tell them you're calling back when you're done eating. So you got the hot dog.
Yung palabok nila, oh. Masarap yung palabok nila dito. Ayan. Tapos, siyempre, ito yung sausawan natin sa ating chicken.
Let them cool down. Extremely hot.
Gravy. Oh, may ano siya, may flesh. May flesh dito, guys, sa kapaso. So, ayan, umpihan natin yung gravy natin. So, breakfast namin ito. Dito kami nag-breakfast sa Jollibee. So, gravy natin.
Now listening to me.
Silaw kasi bandit lang kaya nakasalamin ako. It's eat. I-mix muna natin ang ating palabok. So si Habi hindi na siya mag-breakfast kasi hindi siya kumakain ito. Kinakain lang ni Habi ano lang, ground pork saka ground beef, egg, cheese, that's it. Masira. Kasalamin kasi masilaw dito sa loob. Sa harap ako ng araw. Kasalamin. Ha? Abi? Give me yours. So, si Santino ay lower down your voice.
You need to chew on that side.
Ha?
Chew on that side.
Opo. So, kasi nakaliwa lang ako makamaya kasi dito sa kanan nabunutan ako ng ngipin. At saka sa top masakit pag nalagyan ng pagkain kasi nabunutan ako ng ngipin kahapon. Malaki ng bintis. Kaya Santino spaghetti tsaka chicken. I-mix din natin yung spaghetti.
At Icon College, our AI Business Technology program gives you the skills to thrive in the tech.
I-mix din natin yung spaghetti niya.
The U.S.-Iran exchange strikes overnight.
Sarap yung
President Trump
spaghetti.
said the ceasefire with Tehran is quote over. Joining me now is Arkansas Congressman Rick Crawford. He's the chairman of the House Intelligence Committee and is a United States Army veteran. Congressman, thank you so much for your service to this great nation, number
So,
one.
ito yung sa aking anak, spaghetti, saka chicken. Santino. Yours, chicken. Uy, may flies dito nakapasok, guys. Kaya, inis natin ang ating palabok. So, masakit pa yung ipin ko kasi nabunutan ako kahapon. Dito lang ako makamuya sa kabila. Dito, hindi. 3 peraso. binunot ng doktor. Hindi siya masakit, magaling yung doktor dito magbunot.
Communicating what AI is, what it does, what we, like I said from the beginning, if there was
Ang
a
galing po
deal
ang isa
to
na,
be made,
masakit sa ilong yung ano ko, masakit dito, masakit ito.
but there apparently is no deal to be
Sakit
made.
sa
So he
ilong ko.
writes and say, let's just finish the job. I think the rest of it, our allies and partners in the region.
Masakit sa ilong yung ano ko, salamin.
We've seen the strikes against Bahrain, Qatar, and
Kasi hindi matangos
I
yung
just
ilong
saw
natin.
open source reporting.
Pinapakapit yung
There was some strikes in
salamin sa ilong,
airspace.
hindi ko makapit kasi flat
I
ang
mean, they're
ilong.
going after everybody just to act out because they're upset about the fact that they haven't been able to make a deal or even in good faith with the United States. This is crazy, and it's time to end this. I think the Iranian people, you see these AstroTurf crowds supporting
Parang na-over sa pula yung mukha.
Tehran, but I don't believe that propaganda.
Yung
I
pulang
think
mukha
the
ko.
Iranian people are supportive of
Na-over sa pula, parang
the United States
ano.
coming in and helping them achieve liberty, and I think that's the direction we need to go.
Oh, for sure. The Iranian people are thanking President Trump. It's all over social media. But
Na-over sa ano,
I mean,
make-up ko yung,
when you say finish
na-over
the
sa
job,
make-up yung ano ko.
what does that
Mukha.
mean?
Na-over, parang clown.
In Jordanian airspace, you know, the Iranians leadership, for some reason, think it's a good idea to lash out at their friends.
Dilute natin yun, na-over sa pula. Yellow kasi yung ano, color yellow yung lights kasi may double yung lights, nag-yellow yung lights. Masyado
It has been for 47 years. They have used the Strait of
Masyado
Hormuz
maliwanag
as
yung ano.
leverage in every opportunity they could. And it's time for that to end, number one. Number two, there can be no more ballistic missile production, no more nuclear proliferation at all. And I think President Trump agrees with that. What the Strait of Hormuz and their ability to leverage it has done has allowed them the
Masarap
operating
yung
space.
palabok nila
Well,
dyan.
I think that's about this. Agrees with your sentiment.
This can be achieved without necessarily putting boots on the ground. So
Naunta. Sarap. Sarap ng ano nila, Jollibee na dito guys. Dito sa may Jacksonville, masarap yung Jollibee nila. Masarap ng palabok.
It's a hot one. Let's see if we can do this. And I don't get stranded again. My name is Jay Turn Jake. Thanks for joining me. Little video about who I am.
Liam, leave the game. Because that's the hard rock.
Ay.
Liam, we wanna... Liam. We can make this
Thank you so much for the treat today, honey.
The hard rock.
Tinitreat kami sa Jollibee, sobrang aga. Pang breakfast, Jollibee. Sahod daw niya eh. Tinitreat kami.
Oh, I forgot. Liam, join me. I just joined you. I be the pet
Dito
too.
lang ako makamuya.
Yeah, we all do.
Tapos ang pa-dentist naman mamaya guys, yung ano,
Yeah,
punta
we
kami sa
all do.
dentist ng mga face. Tapos tomorrow si Sir Mike naman. Magpalinis ng ngipin. Pero ako nabunutan talaga.
For jelly.
Tantino, focus your breakfast.
Liam, join me.
Tantino, focus straight, Tantino.
Listen to your mother before I get angry.
He will puke naman later.
Do you want me to take that phone again?
You need to eat first. Focus mo na to eat. Later na mag-games. Alam ko lang mga mukha.
I'm not you. Okay, Liam. I know. Ay, naku eh.
Oo ako. Nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko guys.
Ay,
Kaya
naku, Liam.
sinandal ko lang sa aking soft drinks. Yung cellphone ko.
Take him to the bathroom.
Come on. Sinamahan ko sa bathroom ng anak ko. Ito. Bathroom. Nana? I heard Nana. ba yan? Bakit?
Nothing. Just waiting.
What next?
Walmart.
Walmart.
Right there in front of us.
Okay. Nakuha na malaki.
Hello.
Nag-Jollibee din ang langaw. Sobrang init na dito, guys. Makapaso. Pag mag-cold weather, mga January-han, no?
Yeah.
He spends $50,000 a day just to survive, but some nights he can't even sleep without an oxygen mask. He's Willie Nelson, the last true
Puno sa mga
legend
tao
of
yung mga dagat dito, mga beaches. Puno sa mga tao.
But his lungs are giving out. The decades of life on the road are taking a toll that no amount of money can reverse. Behind the doors of his Texas ranch, the reality is heartbreaking. A pulmonary care unit that cost over $1.5 million. Oxygen systems running through every room. A dedicated medical team that never leaves the comment. Every single year, his medical bills run into millions. At 93 years old, he still walks onto that stage. Oxygen mask waiting in the wings. Gives everything he has left. Willie donated 300 acres of his own land to build a free care center for veterans and cancer patients. And he has quietly stood beside struggling farmers when the rest of the world walked away. Leave him some kind words in the comments. He spends $70,000.
Sinana. Cannot stop si nanay.
Okay. Sir, I ready to go on the clock?
You gotta wait for your mom. She just started eating. She ain't ate her chicken. She ain't ate her pies.
I will check it on the apartment.
What
Yep.
game we on?
We have to go. You ready to go now?
No.
So I will eat naman an apartment.
Eat the rest of your palava.
Mm-mm.
Eat one of your pies.
Okay. Oh. What the heck? Where Leo, what are you doing? Are you a pig or a Steven?
Are you done eating?
Yeah.
Just,
One more bite.
just keep. She's just busy lang.
Hold on.
Ay, she's just busy.
Now where are you?
Here.
Mia, what are you? Are you sleeping? That's cat.
Why are you drinking his drink?
It's okay. Because my drinks without milk.
Sounds like you. You're crying.
Ow. Selena crying.
No, Liam.
Liam.
I thought of you.
Bilisan ko kumain kasi mag-Walmart pa kami. Bibili ng pagkain. I'm so full.
Why you order so much food?
Why? Because I will pick up the food and eat in an apartment. Ay, apartment, condo pala. I will eat in an apartment.
Yes, you go on.
I'm full. There's no need to cook for dinner. I have already for dinner. Bye.
What's your drink, son?